Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 25th January 2026. Title of Murli. This year, become an authority of experience in all 4 subjects. Make your aim and your qualifications for it equal. Bap Dada said, contentment is the greatest power. A soul who remains content will always appear cheerful. No matter how challenging the circumstances may be, to a contented soul, they appear as nothing more than entertainment, like a cartoon show. No situation can disturb such a soul. Furthermore, Baba said, the words sometimes and slightly must be completely removed from the dictionary of a Brahman soul's life. Although every child receives the same blessings from Bap Dada simultaneously during Amrit Vela, they still become, number-wise, ranked. This is because children merely note down or narrate the blessings in their diaries, but fail to fructify the seed of that blessing. In other words, they do not apply it at the right time. In conclusion, Baba said, while every child is a jnani, knowledgeable, a yogi, following dharana, and performing service to the best of their ability, it is now time to become an embodiment of experience in all these 4 subjects. The authority of experience is the highest of all. Even Maya cannot defeat one who has the authority of experience. Blessing for today. May you have a divine and elevated intellect and keep a proper balance between your dharma, righteousness, and your karma. Details are: while doing everything, let there be complete dharma, that is, by keeping a proper balance between your dharma and your karma, your impact will increase. Let it not be that, when your action is finished, you only then become aware of your dharana. Let your intellect keep a proper balance between these 2 things, and you would then be said to be one with an elevated and divine intellect. Otherwise, when your intellect is ordinary, actions are ordinary and your dharana is then also ordinary. Not that you have equality in being ordinary but equality in being elevated. Just as your actions are elevated, so let your dharana also be elevated. Slogan is, set your mind and intellect on the seat of experience and you will never become upset. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. After becoming an embodiment of this knowledge, Master Knowledgeful and a Master Almighty Authority, if you perform any action that is not yukt, the bondage of that karma will be multimillion times greater than the bondage of any karma performed on the path of ignorance. Because of this, because a soul in bondage is not free, he is not able to do what he wants. Therefore, perform yukt actions and attain liberation.